In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on Opera GX browser. Now, I'm here right now in Opera GX browser, and basically what's going to happen is we're just going to open the extensions. So you have the extensions here. You can just go ahead and click that over there, and here at the top right corner, there is an option for enabling the developer mode. So go ahead and tap that or click that over there, and you can go ahead and click load unpacked here and basically now search for that particular thing that you want to install. So say for example this Nova click here, I'm just going to go ahead and select folder, and what's going to happen is it should be added here. So I'm going to click select folder, and there you go. That's Nova extensions for you guys. Now it is on. You can go ahead and disable or remove it or refresh it and basically do all the other things from here. But basically if you're going to click the extensions here, you should be able to see everything already. So yeah, basically that's how you are going to get this done, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out. And yep, if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button down below and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.